Hello friends, Namaskar. Welcome back to PoliGrill. 9 extraordinary persons used to illuminate the court of great Vikramaditya, Emperor Akbar, even Bengal King Krishna Chandra. It's grossly inappropriate to equate any recipe with those legends. So I say my today's recipe is one of the nicest recipes, Navratan Korma. This is a vegetarian delight. I don't want to equate with any legendary person. Let's see how this dish makes. These are all the ingredients for Navratna Korma. Don't worry, I will tell you all the ingredients and measurement when I put them. First, let me boil these vegetables, carrot and beans. I take 200 grams carrot and 100 gram beans. Heat 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. Saute 50 grams mixed nuts, cashew, almond and pistachio. Next, saute 200 grams paneer just for 2 minutes. Heat 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. As oil gets hot, add whole garam masala, 1 teaspoon shahi jeera and bay leaves. Saute for just 30 seconds. Now add 150 grams finely chopped onion. Be careful, don't fry this onion too much. Add with it 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Next goes in 1 tablespoon cashew resin paste. Nicely done. Now put 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder and half teaspoon garam masala powder. Stir and cook for 2-3 minutes. Since this Navratna Korma is essentially white, I avoid the ingredients which may dye this curry. Therefore, I took dry red chili seeds and discard the skin. I made it powder. I made 1 teaspoon of it for my curry. Now, time to add liquid. Pour 1 cup water. Now put all the vegetables. 100 grams boiled potato, boiled carrot and beans. Next, 100 grams bell pepper, 100 grams fresh green peas. Many people prefer to add pineapple in this dish, but that makes this dish too sweet, so I skip it. But if you like, you could add. Now add paneer, mixed nuts and 25 grams resin. Salt to taste. Cook for 5 minutes in medium. Wow, my fantastic Navratna Korma is ready. Just add 2 tablespoons fresh cream. My Navratna Korma is just perfect. Switch off the flame. Now it's time to garnish my ratan. Chopped coriander, pomegranate seeds, little grated mawa for extra richness. If all the vegetables, nuts, spices are available in my kitchen, I never miss to make this Navratna Korma. Let me know your views. Do subscribe. Stay tuned. Bye bye.